What's good, everybody? It's your boy Relevant. So in this video, we're going to talk about my #1 tip for a musician to build a fan base without spending any money. Well, maybe spending some money, but you get the point.
Beauty is irrelevant.
It's Friday night. We're at an event. I was actually going to the studio to go to an event called Past the Ox, where it's going to be a group of people vibing out, networking, playing music for each other. Still happen to be working at this studio, and they're having an event tonight where it's going to be a showcase. I think it's about 6, 7 artists. I popped over here to just come out and see, what talent was out here, see what the vibes was like, if I can get some networking done, who I can meet, show face. That's why I wanted to make this video. If you're an artist and you're trying to build a fan base, one of the best things you can do to build a fan base without necessarily like paying for ads or like trying to pay for services or something to like boost your Instagram or like running ads or anything like that. One of the most simple ways that you can build a fan base is to network with other musicians. Network with other musicians. This is your tribe. This is your crowd. When you have something in common, there's always this level of like camaraderie, right? And music is a collaborative thing. So the more collaborative you are when you work with other musicians, it's allowing you to multiply yourself so that when that music comes out, you get to actually have more people market the music. There's more people that's going to post about it, there's more people that's going to talk about it, there's more people that's going to share it. There's all this other stuff that's going to be happening. And because you multiplied yourself, so you kind of delegated the task. And when it comes to like content coming out, we know that it's all about engagement. So if you're getting multiple people sharing it, posting about it, commenting on it and stuff like that, it's going to get put in front of more people. So instead of trying to like focus on fans that you don't like, that aren't around you, like on the internet or something like that, or trying to grow like your social media or like get a bunch of YouTube views or something like that, go out and do features, do collabs, and go out to shows. If you don't live somewhere that you can't go out to shows, then get on the internet and reach out to people and do songs with people. Make songs with people, get on their radar. They're going to follow you on Instagram naturally. You're going to start to build their support, build your support. Those relationships go a long way. I'm going to show you how the night goes. I'm going to film some of this in here so you can get a feel for some of the artists that are performing. You can see what it's like. And you can kind of get a feel for networking and what it's like being on the scene. I said you might have to pay because some of these events may cost. You want to go buy tickets, you want to go support, that's good. There's nothing wrong with that. But you got to put yourself out there. That's one of the best ways you're going to be able to network and build a fan base organically without spending any money. And you're actually going to build you're going to have all it's going to start to grow. It'll start to happen organically. We're going to film this whole night. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. And we're going to have some fun tonight. We're over here. My guy FB and Silo had to get him. It's dark, but we in here.
Well, we in this joint, you know what I'm saying, out here with all these artists popping out and getting it in, you know what I'm saying, watching the experience. It's about to go down.
I like it, man.
It's a night for it.
We can go on the other spot too. Like I said, we're going on the other side.
Facts.
Hey, let's get it. It's the studio.
Conrad got him coming in.
Yeah, I got a few people.
Yeah, Conrad got it popping, man. I never heard of him.
Yeah, Conrad getting it popping.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Collecting money at the time.
Hey, it's gonna be a fun night, man. This lighting is interesting. Excuse me for the lighting, y'all. It's nighttime and we out here. I'm shooting on my phone, so this is just what it's gonna look like. But it's different at night. My daytime shots, I can get those, but until I figure this out. In real time, this is just how it's gonna be moving forward until I get a camera, man.
I was just cooling, listening to country grammar. I got a friend with a hammer. I got a girl I can stand up. Guess what she stand up when I see that ass? I'm like, whoa! I'm rocking black on the gold. I'm coming for what I'm owed. Give me my money, selling myself and my soul. This is the life that I chose. You ain't too shit, I'm too legit. If I don't touch my girl, like she go a bit. She go bananas. I'm in pajamas, blowing Savannah. When I'm in the club, I turn off the camera. That's cause every time I go out, I stay low key. Get money, stay here. Learn that from the OG. That's cool. Leon, if you fucking with me, if you like my face, you want to see more of my face, Instagram, Christopher Leon Music. I just dropped an album called We're All Healing, because we are all healing.
I know that you know that we know that I know. And I don't mean to sound rude and I don't mean to sound cruel, but
say I don't keep tabloids to keep up with it. That really more like a comment to me. Why you worried about someone they know you was living? Maybe that mean you ain't living. You ain't done it, I ain't listen to you. Gotta give them with the pittance. So they got me with the pig and roll.
I'm ready to go. I'm feeling low. In a moment to fly. I can't let go. Never let it go. I live for the show. Oh,
Like a whale, the way that she moves is unreal. She's too beautiful. She's too beautiful. Spend my money on the phone. Go and get her, yeah. Go ahead and tell her, yeah. She thinks she's clever. The way that she comes and she goes. She's too beautiful.
We just finished up inside the venue. Got a chance to see a couple artists perform. It was one kid, his name was Lou, that I really liked. He kind of had like this Justin Bieber kind of like Kid Leroy swag going on. So I definitely had to get his contact information because we got to make some fire together. So shout out to Lou. Got us some footage of a couple other artists, but you see the vibes, man. All the support. It was an overall good turnout. A lot of support. Everyone was having fun, and people were networking. Conversations were being had, and it was a good time, man. So now we are going to go across the street to In the Mix, and it's past the Ox. We're gonna see what we could do in there, who we could meet, and keep it going, man. It's Friday night. It's Friday the 13th. I hope y'all having fun. Let's get it. Hit the like button. Hey, I got some tree.
Oh yeah.
We can't smoke in there though. We gotta smoke out here. We just left the spot LA. We heading over to In the Mix, FBN. We out here working, man. We out here getting it. It's 24 hours. It's a lifestyle. A lot of hours you don't get paid. You just gotta be out here doing it.
Man.
Gotta be out here doing it.
Facts.
Let me see if I can get in here. What's good, bro? There he is. You know I had to show up.
Great to see you.
Yeah, so you
Can you
can.
hear a mic? Hell yeah, man.
Marcus, can we get more chairs over here? Is there more in there?
There we go. Yes!
Playing one. That's it, man. I'm playing one. I like it, bro.
I'm playing one more.
Uno más. You gonna play them, so
That flow was sick.
It's something I just did at the crib the other day. Something I'm working on. I ain't totally finished with it. Just the idea. Summertime fun.
Quick draw like the Wild Wild West. Body in my city say that. We collect like the IRS. Wanna talk on the phone, say less. It's just different when I flex. I can never little bitch that word to my ex. Never again, excuse my friend. Look, quick draw like the Wild Wild West. Ay. Young nigga from the Midwest. Hustle my interest. Big smoke, we clear that. I'm big dog, check my index.
everybody networking, chopping it up. Everybody just played their beats, got feedback, criticism, exchanging Instagrams. So it all comes down to, man, you gotta build with your team, the people, find your tribe, build with your tribe. They're gonna support you, give you honest feedback, criticism. They're gonna show up to your shows, they buying your tickets, they liking your posts, they watching your videos. If you don't go out and build with your community, you are missing out on a vital part of building a fan base. This is what nights like this is all about. This is how you build a business. This is how you build a brand. This is how you build a niche, a fan base, and a community. And this is how you eventually monetize your content and start generating some income like a business owner. So networking. Network is your net worth. Gotta do it. Show up. Look the part. Dress the part. Don't be afraid. Don't be nervous. Don't be insecure. We all in the same boat. Yeah, we all started at the same. At some point, we all been at the same place. Someone gotta start somewhere. You don't have to be perfect. You're gonna be around other people. They're gonna inspire you. You're gonna learn from them. Take different things that they do, put it in your tool bag. That's just how it works. You continue to get better, keep growing, keep going. All right, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Check out my links below. Hey,
we out here, man.
Sir, how you feeling, man?
Man, I'm feeling great. You know, we're out here. We had a great time at In the Mix. Check us out over here.
Yep.
Big Lou, DK, coming through supporting the community, man.
Shout out to Beat Pack.
Hey, shout out to Beat Pack. We're coming through very soon, every week over here at In the Mix. Check us out, In the Mix Studios
Yo,
on
Instagram.
IG. Amo is here. AMO_IS_here. Amo is here for you at gmail.com.
Man, we got beats coming for y'all too, man. Me and Almo for sure, bro. So, exactly, man. That's exactly how it happens, man. It's been a great night. So again, check the links below. If you want to book a call or anything, book a call. You want some beats, check below. We got merch, we got training courses, all that stuff coming soon. But right now, we're just trying to bring value and show you what it looks like in real time, so it's not just in a book or guessing game. You got to kind of see it as I teach it. That's how we're going to keep doing it. Live in action in real time. It's lit. I'll catch y'all next time.